12 o'clock in the morning, we ain't doing no yawning. Yeah, cause that bonfire is glowing, night sky's glowing, living in the moment, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, them things you do, show your thighs and fireflies in your eyes.
What's going on, everybody? This is Savannah's Got Food, and we're stopping by Soul and Flavor Food Festival. This is put on by Discover Black Savannah, and we're ready to have a good time. Let's go see some of our friends. Ray, I'm finding you, boo. I'll see y'all soon.
Hello, my name is Marquita Irving.
I just need a little bit you.
Alan Easy Quinters.
Back of the truck.
Hey y'all, I'm Kristen with the Refillery.
So this is Blue Eyes Tropical Market.
I'm not talking about the sun, I'm talking about these
Venus, and we are here with Pasta.
Some things you do, show your thighs.
What's going on, everybody? We are MF Hot Sauce.
For all my pain.
Lisa from DeAndre's Decor.
Hi, we're with Sayla and Grace.
That 9 to 5, that sweet water is calling my name.
So we are representing Jim Beam.
Hi, I'm Rachel Sweet.
Oh, yeah. I just need a little bit you.
Here at Nurse T's Creation.
1, 2, 3. Cause as long as we're
Piano with Nick Monet.
on this side of the ground, get the living, we gotta live it.
Tiny Sparks Lab.
Cactus Custom Embroidery.